Chipped. This one chipped over the bowler. Oh, just went too much. Has he picked the fielder out? No. Pulled back. Past the bowler. This will be a little bit of relief for the Royals. They have a boundary to finish off the 4 overs. It's 17 for 1.
They were just 12, 13 off almost the 4 overs. Important to get a boundary in this over. Straight down the ground.
Hits it over the infield. It'll go down to third. And should you just one again.
Very good short delivery. Just rushed him. Luckily for Razzaq. Yeah, you got to try and make sure you've got protection when you go for that short ball, because if you get a top edge like that, no fine leg, then easy opportunity to get runs. I'll tell you what, the short balls that we've seen throughout so far, Darren, have really gone through. Good bounce, good pace.
Very straight indeed, and pays a heavy price for it. This outfield is so fast, the ball just races into the boundary line.
Now you can see his general angle, Darren, is from slightly wide of the stumps and angled into the right-hander. Now, 45's in the circle.
Much better, but the length a little too much on the full side.
Oh, this is a beauty. It's actually on the up. Not a rank half volley. That is beautiful.
Edged. Wide, swinging away. No slip in play.
Yeah, we've seen him take a couple of incredible catches diving away to his right. This one just a bit too far. It looks like a bus after those first couple of balls that were too straight, and he was picked off on the onside.
That's beautiful. That's a beautiful stroke. Terrific shot. What does Razzaq? Beg your pardon, Ali Razzaq. Going into the 30s.
Oh, that is a beauty to see.
It runs now. It's got a good connection.
The leg spinner offering the width. He was on the bounce really quickly. Good weight transfer, good contact.
This time is a good shot. Talk about timing. Well stopped. I thought it'll just bisect the two and hit the boundary rope.
He was short on the previous ball, this time much fuller. Ali Razzaq made a really good connection. But look at this fielding effort.
Yeah, it was on the cards. It was bound to happen. The pressure was just crushing them down. And this is actually a wicket earned.
Just look at that. The flight was there, the length. He dragged it back a little. Ali Razzaq wanted to use his feet, but the length was not there. Very well bowled. Takes the leg stump.
Well, a tough knock. 44 or 43 comes to an end. 77 for 3.